Hi, I'm Janine Lisi. I'm co-author of Start Right, Build Your Own Business. We need to talk about this business name. I need you to make sure that you register your business name. You want to start first with your city. Go to the courthouse, see if that business name exists anywhere else. Just because it's not registered there doesn't mean you're still okay. Now I need you to go to the state. Contact the Secretary of State in your state and see if that name is showing up there. If they're saying no, you're still not home free, you need to contact the Internal Revenue Service to see if that name exists there. And then take it the next step. The final step is get on the internet and Google search it, or just do a search for whatever search engine that you use on your computer, and do a search on that name and see if it's coming up anywhere. Let's say it does come up. Find out what it is they do for their business. Go into their website, call them, find out exactly what they're doing. Chances are you still can't use that name because they are, even if they're doing something that's completely different. That means start over, go back to the drawing board and come up with a different name. Because if someone else has it, the last thing you need is a lawsuit because you're infringing on either a name they've had copyrighted or trademarked. They have a logo that goes with that name. And here you are coming up the pike, and if you become extremely successful and you have the same name as them, look out, because they're coming right after you, and you know what? They'll win. So take the time. Do research on that name to make sure it's not being used anywhere in this country.